welcome to another daily journaling vlog. It is an ungodly hour, at least for me. So regardless of what I have planned for the rest of the day, I typically start off by writing my to-do list and doing some work, and then I head to the gym. Those three things I typically do every single day. This is what we are currently working with. I don't really have a theme in mind. Maybe since we are shipping the subscriptions, I will make it a Happy Meal theme. Okay, this is what we're gonna work with. After writing in my to-do list, I typically like to get in some work done first before I write in my first journal entry. Okay, emails aren't too bad this morning. I have 13 that I need to respond to, 4 personal work stuff, 8 drafts. Oh gosh, I need to check over what that is. 1 follow-up, 2 bean cards, and 13 new emails that are unassigned. I still have a little bit of time before I have to leave, so I'm just in the Facebook group responding to comments. I just got back from the gym, I got ready, and now we're gonna get to work. And I just realized my coffee matches my shirt. Anyways, I had 12 more emails come in during the an hour and a half that I was gone, so I'm gonna tackle those. So this is my Hobonichi cousin so far, and I also want to set up my Hobonichi weeks for this week because I haven't done so yet. And my setup is actually really simple. I literally just draw 3 lines with the pencil. This is already sectioned out by default, but I just like to make this line a little darker. I think for this week, I want to try something a little different and use a blue ink. I will show you what this color looks like. It's still pretty dark, but definitely different from black. And since we're doing the whole blue thing, I'm going to be using this washi from the January subscription. I think I'll just put it on the right side. Whoops. currently I'm working on some subscription freebies. I have been doing this thing where I give a bonus vinyl with every subscription and it kind of matches with a theme. So this one is for April, which is already in production because we're shipping April stuff literally tomorrow. But I'm kind of getting stuff done ahead. This one is for August, which is a bullet journal theme. So I thought it would be fun to do like a sketchy, mostly black and white with a little bit of gray. And I think it turned out really, really cute. And I love this koala. I can also show you, this one was for February, which was a cozy cafe theme. And then this one, whoops, was for January, which was a galaxy slash night sky theme. And I love this little alien so much. All right, hello again. I'm currently designing the second version of our snail mail subscription envelope. We are not giving like a new design with every single subscription, but just like whenever the current batch we have on hand sells out, then we're just gonna switch to a new design. I don't think we're ready to switch to a new design yet, but I do want to have the design ready as backup, so I'm not like rushing or anything. And because it'll be around the spring slash summertime, I kind of wanted to make it be like a nature slash fruits and veggies theme. Okay, it is currently 12:08 and I just finished this envelope design and I think it turned out so cute. All right, currently I'm just waiting for 1 p.m. for my meeting. Hello.
Hey, is this Helen?
Put down this little emoji head. This is my weekly section so far, and as you can see, I'm kind of having a planner crisis. Like, all of my previous spreads are with black ink, but for some reason this week I'm just like, I am gonna use colored gel pens, which I have never done before, and I'm kind of doing this like rainbow thing. Why am I doing this? I don't know. Okay, I'm finally ready for my lunch. I'm so hungry. I also made another cup of coffee. I don't know if anybody else says this, but whenever I get a to-go coffee and I finish it, I always refill it at least like once or twice with homemade coffee. Because for some reason, I feel like just having it in this to-go cup makes it taste so much better, even though it's coffee that I always have at home. Okay, it is currently 3:43 and I have just been working on a bunch of stuff. What did I even work on? I worked on shipping. Also, I'm currently working on the Q3 subscriptions, which are for July and August. Also, there's a bunch of things that I can't really show, like for example, preparing documents for my accountant and stuff like that. So yeah, just a bunch of random paperworks. So I'm supposed to leave for my friend's birthday at around 5, and the issue is I don't know when I'm supposed to start decorating the cake. So let me just tell you the plan and I will roll the footage of me decorating. So yesterday I prepared by baking the lemon poppy seed cake, and it is just a single layer cake. It's going to be very thin, mostly because we're just like not really cake people. I'm kind of just doing it for fun. So yeah, it's going to be a very small cake. And I also baked a really small batch of lemon poppy seed cookies. And so what I'm going to do is whip up some fresh whipping cream. I'm going to spread the whipped cream on top. And then I'm going to crumble the lemon poppy seed cookies that I baked, as well as some lemon biscuits. And then I'm just going to sprinkle it on the perimeter along with some extra poppy seeds. I'm going to make it look all rustic looking. So my only concern is it is currently raining outside, so I'm going to be holding an umbrella while holding a cake. Not sure how that's gonna go.
That's like so much effort, dude.
It is 9 p.m. I'm finally back home. It was so much fun, and I also got some work done at a cafe afterwards. But now I have a very long night of work ahead of me. So I'm not going to talk too much. We're just going to get working. These are all of the April snail parcels that we have packaged up so far. My mom's sleeping, so that's why I'm being very quiet. And I'm going to try to package a few more tonight. Those are all of the subscriptions that are ready to go for tomorrow. And this is a little sneak peek of the second half of the year. So all of the monthly kits, and these are the coordinating add-ons. We have July sticky notes, excuse my nails, and also the July bullet journal ones. We already started cutting them. There is a lot. It is currently almost 11, and I am working on spreadsheets for tomorrow. These are all of the subscriptions that we will be shipping. Okay, not all of them will be for tomorrow. That is way too many, but I'm just preparing the labels for the next few days. As you can see, I am ready for bed, but we still have a lot to do.